From news to faith programming. How African TV reflects community life. African TV uniquely blends news, faith, and community-driven content, reflecting daily life and cultural identity. From live news updates reinforcing diaspora ties to faith programming fostering belonging. It mirrors shared rhythms, whether civic debates, spiritual rituals, or local storytelling. Platforms like UVO TV now bridge gaps, offering live access to diverse African broadcasts, keeping viewers connected across continents. A vital link between tradition and modernity. Measles spread, theaters, schools, kangaroo zoo and aquarium among new exposure sites, KSL.com. Measles is spreading in Utah, with new exposure sites identified including theaters, schools, a kangaroo zoo, and an aquarium. Health officials are working to contain the outbreak and urging people to check their vaccination status to prevent further spread. Measles cases are continuing to rise statewide. News media urged not to run after social media trends. Kozhikode Assembly Speaker emphasized the importance of news media maintaining standards and credibility. He urged them to resist chasing social media trends during a convocation address, prioritizing journalistic integrity over fleeting online popularity. Trump threatens to strike world's largest gas field if Iran attacks Qatar again. US President Donald Trump pledged the US would massively blow up the entirety of the world's largest gas field if Iran attacks Qatar again. Trump made his threat on social media Wednesday night against Iran's South Pars natural gas field, after Iranian missiles hit Qatar. The Iranian attack was in retaliation for an Israeli attack on the South Pars field earlier Wednesday. Hoda Abel Hamid reports from Doha, Qatar. Woman suing Meta. YouTube over social media addiction takes the stand at trial. A woman testifies in a landmark trial against Meta and YouTube, alleging their platforms fueled her severe social media addiction. The case highlights growing concerns over tech companies' role in mental health crises among users. 21 people treated with sterilized surgical tools at hospital. Patients were not told for weeks. Despite risk of HIV, Yahoo News UK. A UK hospital treated 21 patients, including a 15-year-old boy, with sterilized surgical tools. The hospital delayed informing the patients for weeks. Despite the risk of HIV and other infections, patients now face months of follow-up testing to ensure they remain disease-free, causing considerable distress and anxiety. A game-changing moment for social media. What next for big tech after landmark addiction verdict? A landmark court verdict on social media addiction could reshape big tech, sparking debates over accountability and user safety. Experts weigh in on what this pivotal moment means for platforms and their future regulations. Dodgers star Alex Veja's heartbroken wife attends bittersweet MLB opener after baby daughter's death. Alex Veja's wife, Kayla, attended the Dodgers' bittersweet MLB opener 5 months after their newborn daughter Sterling's death. Vesia returned to pitching, thanking fans and teammates for support, while sharing his grief and renewed passion for baseball. When healthy isn't enough, why fit? Active people are still being diagnosed with cancer and what experts say you are missing. The article discusses the concerning trend of active, healthy individuals still being diagnosed with cancer, challenging the traditional belief that a healthy lifestyle guarantees disease prevention. Experts suggest that the definition of healthy needs to be broadened beyond diet and exercise. The article implies the need for a more comprehensive approach to health. Robinhood trends as social feature. Platinum card launch drive buzz. Robinhood's stock is trending on social media platforms, fueling discussions among investors. Recent developments, such as the potential launch of a social feature and a platinum card offering, appear to be key drivers behind this increased online attention and engagement surrounding a company. A new COVID variant is showing up in California. Here's what to know. San Francisco Chronicle. A new COVID variant, BA.3.2, has been found in California wastewater, raising concerns about potential immune evasion. Experts are weighing in on the variant and the current risk it poses to the public. Health officials continue to monitor the situation. Justin Baldong moves forward in suing ex-publicist in new legal battle ahead of Blake Lively trial. A federal judge allowed Justin Baldon's production company, Wayfarer, to proceed with a defamation lawsuit against his ex-publicist, Stephanie Jones, ahead of his upcoming trial against Blake Lively. The judge denied Jones' request to dismiss the case and rejected her attempt to attach producer Jamie Heat. Baldon's legal team accused Lively's camp of overwhelming them with documents, delaying trial preparations set for May 18. Fast weight loss trends. Are surgical requests on the rise? Social media showcases rapid weight loss, with trends highlighting dramatic transformations. This visibility has led to increased interest in surgical weight loss solutions. The demand for procedures promising fast results and significant physical changes appears to be growing, fueled by the prevalence of these visuals online. How to raise teens who understand money, not just spend it. This article focuses on educating teenagers about the true value of money in a world of easy online shopping and social media influence. It addresses the importance of raising financially responsible teens who understand money management rather than simply spending. ByteDance promises to tighten up its new AI video generator after viral Cruise vs. PitClip. ByteDance is reinforcing safeguards on its AI video generator following the viral spread of a misleading Tom Cruise vs. Brad Pitt clip. The tech giant aims to curb misinformation and unauthorized content creation using its advanced AI tools. Luther Vandross trends on social media after Cher accidentally announces the late icon is winner of Record of the Year at Grammys instead of Kendrick Lamar. The way he's been dead for 2 decades. Single quote. Cher mistakenly announced the late Luther Vandross as the Record of the Year winner at the Grammys, instead of Kendrick Lamar, causing a social media stir. The 79-year-old pop icon's premature departure and error led to widespread online discussion and amusement, highlighting the unexpected and somewhat chaotic end to the award show. World War III feat trends as tensions escalate in Middle East amid continuous strikes. Tensions are rising in the Middle East between Israel and Iran, leading to strikes and escalating conflict. Social media users are speculating that this could potentially lead to a global conflict. With World War III inches trending across various platforms, the situation is being closely monitored as concerns about a larger war increase. Insulin resistance prediction from wearables and routine blood biomarkers. Nature. A machine learning model uses wearable device data, blood biomarkers, and demographics to predict insulin resistance. This allows for earlier lifestyle interventions, potentially preventing type 2 diabetes. The model integrates diverse data sources for improved prediction accuracy, facilitating proactive healthcare management and personalized preventative strategies. The women bringing chess into the 21st century with bullet matches and viral videos. Discover how women content creators are revolutionizing chess, blending speedy, Bullet matches with viral videos to modernize the game and attract younger audiences. Breaking stereotypes of chess is an old man's pastime. Scientists find this surprising, healthy drink linked to weight gain, AOL.com. A recent meta-analysis links fruit juice consumption to weight gain. The report explains how this occurs and offers advice on selecting healthier beverage alternatives. The findings challenge the perception of fruit juice as a universally healthy choice, highlighting potential downsides.